Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. For those of you that are new to my channel, I want to say welcome, and for those of you that are part of the Fab Lady family, welcome back. My name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, trying out, and giving my first impressions on Pat McGrath's new collection titled Skin Fetish. Now, Skin Fetish is a full collection of highlighters and lip balms, and it includes a skin highlighting trio, which comes in a palette form, a double-ended duo stick, which includes a highlighter and balm, a lip balm, and then it includes a highlighting brush. Now, I purchased the full collection and I'm super excited to try out this palette because, as you know, I'm a huge fan of Pat McGrath. You know that anything that she produces is gonna be a hit. I purchased the full collection in the darkest highlighting combo. So let's jump right into this tutorial and let me give you the rundown on what I think about this palette. So I hope you all enjoyed this simple, easy to do, bronzy summer look. As far as the skin fetish collection, I will say that I absolutely loved it. The full palette will run you about $135 without taxes, but it includes free shipping. While it is a bit on the pricey side, I do believe that it's well worth the money. I mean, the ingredients are top-notch, the colors are pigmented but not overdone, and these products just leave your skin feeling flawless and looking flawless. Everything just seemed to melt into the skin and give you a natural glow. Nothing sat on top of the skin, which is something that I can't stand. The lip balm penetrated into the lips and it didn't leave it feeling sticky. The lip balm lasted for about 3 hours before I needed to reapply it, and it goes great under a nice matte lip stain without distracting it. Now, the highlighting balm was something I had to wrap my brain around because I couldn't initially understand it, but it's something that I found that you could layer on your skin before makeup that will give you a glow, or something that you can apply to your highlighted areas when you're not wearing makeup to give you a makeup-less glow. It was a nice concept to learn. The highlighter stick was pretty self-explanatory and it worked beautifully. Now, the pressed highlighters were not only a great presentation, but they were delightful on the skin as well. I swatched them for you since I didn't do them at the beginning of the video, just so you could see how the colors would show up on your skin if you have skin tone similar to mine. Again, they melted in my skin, they weren't too shocking. I also didn't have a problem with the product being overly applied to my skin. I feel like the brush at the end of the day did a great job applying just a subtle amount of product without it being overdone. Overall, I enjoyed this collection, and if you ask me if I recommend this collection, I would have to say a hard yes. This collection was absolutely lovely. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please put them down in the comment section below. And as always, I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Thank you so much for joining me again. Bye-bye.